Our numeric comparison statements are pretty simple. If we want to compare whether two numbers are equal, we just write the numbers, or the variables that are holding the numbers, with two equal signs between them. When the computer runs line 1, it asks, does 5 equal 3? No. So it prints the evaluation of the statement 5 equals 3. That's of course false, and so our first result on the top right is false. When it runs line 2, it prints the result of 5 equals 5. Does 5 equal 5? Yes. So 5 equals 5 is true. The same thing works for variables. On lines 3, 4, and 5, we create three variables, a, b, and c, and give them the values 5, 5, and 3. So we can see that a and b are the same, but c is different from a or b. When the computer runs line 6, it grabs the value of a, the value of b, and asks, does a equal b? In this case, that becomes, does 5 equal 5? Once again, 5 does equal 5, and so that statement is true. And then finally it asks, does a equal c? A is 5, c is 3, 5 does not equal 3, and so it prints false. Now you might be wondering, why two equal signs instead of just one? The middle three lines right here actually show the difference. When we use only one equal sign, Python assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left. A single equal sign is called the assignment operator. Line 3 doesn't check to see if c equals 3. Line 3 declares that c now equals 3. If we tried to just print c equals 3 with only one equal sign, we'd get an error. A single equal sign sets two things equal to each other if possible, while two equal signs checks if they're already equal to each other. So, double equal sign is for comparison, and a single equal sign is for assignment. Here's what happens if you use the wrong operator here. Line 1 creates the variable a and gives it the value 5. Line 2 prints the results of the question, does a equal 5? We use a double equal sign here, so we're using the comparison operator, and the result is true. A does equal 5. We just said that a equals 5. Line 3 tries to print the result of assigning a to the value 5. Single equal sign, so it's an assignment. And our result is this error. The actual text of this error describes something very different that we'll talk about much later. But the reason for the error is that we're trying to print the result of an assignment. Python actually attributes special meaning to doing an assignment within a function. But we'll talk about that more later.